Hi everyone. No, this is not my real hair. You guys, I just colored a wig and cut it, and it's a wig. But that's not the point of this video. I am actually going to get my new car today, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I have my new hair, which I'm actually loving this hair right now. Like, I probably wouldn't cut it because my hair is so curly that it would just not look like this ever, but I definitely dig this. I'm gonna get my car now, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. I even have my little keychain with me to put it on. Like, I probably seem like the biggest dork right now, but honestly I am, so. I've been waiting for like a week to get it now because I was in South Carolina, so I couldn't get it. But I'm really, really excited. Yay! I have to turn the music off because I'm gonna get copyright. I'm so excited, I wanna die right now. Yay! I'm so excited! I'm so excited, I'm so excited! See, this is what happens when you don't know how to color hair. So whatever. I see it! I'm such a fucking wimp. It's my baby! Hey baby! Hey baby! Oh my god! Why am I like this? Why am I like this? Why? Okay, let's fucking go. Mama, do you want to film me? Let's roll it. I'm so excited. My baby. Okay, wanna go?
Can't find anybody.
Are you excited?
I'll let you know.
I'm in my new car. I'm literally beyond excited, you guys. You can see the yellow. I'm even wearing my yellow shoes. You know which ones I mean. Want to see the keys? Yeah, you want to. Ah, my little kid spade. Because it's yellow. We are alone. This is crazy. This is insane. I am so freaking happy with the car. Just looking at it and everything like that, like it's yellow, it's just adorable. I'm like so happy about it. And I'm definitely gonna drive it a ton. I'm just like so excited, you guys. And I know so many people are gonna comment like, oh my god, this spoiled bitch, whatever. Like, she's 17 and got a 2016 car. I pay for it for myself, so you better people can leave. Okay. It's everything that I ever wanted, and I'm so happy because I can finally like drive my friends around, and I can drive myself to freaking, you know, Taco Bell. Everything I want, everything I could ever want. So I'm so happy and just so like excited. It's so weird for me to like have my own car because this is my first car, you know, and just everything's crazy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and welcome home, little Jeepiter. Did you guys hear that? It's a Jeep. So it's called, because I'm Saturn Sash, so this is Jeepiter. It's so cute. So in the comments, say hi to Jeepiter. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching, and thank you for making this possible for me. I love you guys so much, you know, and I'm gonna go and try not to crash. So bye. Why did I clap like that?